Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So the Amazon series is going to start soon on my YouTube channel, and yes, it was a bit of delay from my side because I was really busy with my work, and now you can see a more clear face and more quality on my YouTube videos because I just have purchased another camera for making these Amazon videos, and I'm sure you're gonna learn a lot from here, and many of you will learn the skill. Many of you will start your own business, and you will have a great future if you spend time learning on Amazon and spending your money on Amazon. So in these videos, just want to explain that there is going to be videos about Amazon private label on the start of this series, and then later on I'm going to add all the models which can help you earn money, and which can help you sell your services. Like there are all other models like dropshipping, Kindle, Amazon wholesale, and a lot more. So first of all, what my expertise are is Amazon private label. So I'm just going to go through the A to Z process of launching your own product and build a brand on Amazon. So I'm going to go through all the step-by-step process of this Amazon private label, and I'm sure you are going to learn a lot. And if you watch these all videos step by step, I'm 100% sure that you can launch your own brand on Amazon. But you need to be patient because all these videos will take time to be recorded, and then I'm going to put that on my YouTube channel. But yes, so this is the official start of this Amazon series, and all these videos are going to be in English Pakistani accent as well as the mixed accent from different kind of people, because I'm going to bring many people on my channel who are experts in their field, and that will help you a lot because if you learn from different experiences, that's going to help you learn more about Amazon. And yeah, so that's the goal. Let's see you in the next video. Take care. Bye bye.